signs that a female is going to go into delivery are they will drop their body temperature down past 98.5. They will start nesting. If they're outside, that may mean that they will start digging humongous holes in order to deliver their puppies like in a den. If they're inside, a lot of times they will go into closets, into a darker place, and nest, fluff everything up and make a nice nest. Some dogs will start gathering toys or objects like slippers or underwear or socks. I kind of think that they think that they're puppies. They start nurturing them. When their body temperatures drop so low, you'll find that the females will shiver. They'll be shaking, quivering.